In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pair up your DJI Mic 2 to your Insta360 Ace Pro. Now the Ace Pro does have some pretty good microphones already built into it, but you may be in a situation where you need to use an external microphone, and maybe this is the case with using this great DJI Mic 2. Okay, this is the easy way to do this. So first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and power on your DJI mic on the bottom there. Blue light will come on, and then you're going to want to press and hold that top button so that way it goes into pairing mode. All right, you'll see it blinking real fast. We'll go ahead and set that off to the side. Now we're going to go over to the Ace Pro and swipe down, and then take and swipe over. That takes you to another menu here. You see those AirPods, that icon there? That's what you're going to want to press. And now it says searching, please make sure both Bluetooth devices are in pairing mode. So our Ace or our DJI is already in pairing mode, and bam, right there it is. Shows up on there, and then you just tap on that, and that'll connect your DJI Mic 2 to your Ace Pro.